Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money online with Raiffeisen Bank to another account. First, open the Raiffeisen Bank app on your mobile phone and log into your account. After logging in, you will arrive on the home page of the app. Here, look for the Payments or Transfer section. In some versions of the app, you may see a Payments button directly on the main screen. Tap on it to continue to the next step. Now you will see your list of saved recipients. Choose the recipient you want to send money to by tapping on their name. If you want to send money to a new person who is not already saved, tap on the Add Recipient button. After that, enter the required details carefully. This can include the recipient's full name, bank account number, IBAN, and bank information depending on the transfer type. Once the recipient is selected or added, enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Double-check the amount before moving forward. If you are sending money to another country, you can select the international transfer option. In this case, the app may ask for additional information and may also show transfer fees or exchange rates. After entering all the information, you will be taken to a summary page. Review all the transfer details carefully, including the recipient information and transfer amount. If everything looks correct, tap on the Confirm button to complete the transfer. Once the transfer is successful, you will receive a confirmation message or digital receipt inside the app. Thanks for watching.